Hello guys, welcome back to geometry class. This time I'm gonna fix some mistakes that I made like on the question number 10 and 11 I believe. So here we are looking for like volume of this figure, right? So I put 162, but let's see where I made a mistake because I supposed to get 193. Okay, so I think I know where I made a mistake. Yeah, so let's do this. First, we're gonna find volume of this prism. So that's gonna be 6 times, oh, that's where I made a mistake, I guess. So volume is gonna be base times height times width. So it's gonna be 6 times 6 times 3. So it's gonna be what? Oh shoot, I don't have a calculator, so it's okay. I'm gonna use decimals. So it's gonna be 6 times 6 times 3, which is gonna be 108. No wonder. So I don't even know where I got 78 from. So it's gonna be 108. And this one is right, 184 point something, I guess. So when you add this one up, 84 point, here. For some people, I'm gonna do that. So that's the base. And now we gotta find area, volume of this semi-cylinder. And formula for this one is gonna be pi r squared h. But because it is only half of the cylinder, I'm gonna divide by 2. So that's it. So let's do this. Pi. Now, what's the radius of this cylinder? So here to here is a 6. Do you see it's a 6 here? But I'm gonna use, radius is the half the diameter. So I'm gonna use only half, which is 3. So I'm gonna put, instead of radius, I'm gonna put 3 squared, and height of this cylinder is also 6 times 6 over 2. So if I use decimals, instead of pi, I'm gonna use 3.14, 3 squared times 6, and everything divided by 2. So do you see I have 84.78? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put 108 plus 84.78. So 108 plus 84.78. And why did I go to minus? I'm sorry. Plus, that gives you 192.78. But question says round to the nearest cubic centimeter, so that's gonna be 193. So that's a 193. All right, question number 11. This one is the same thing. So you have to get 16.97. So I assumed it's got an 8 square root of 3 because I thought that was gonna be 16.97, I believe. But let's see if it is true or not. 8 square root of 3 is, do you say 8 square root of 3 is 13.8? So that cannot be the answer. But if I put 12 square root of 2, that's a 16.97. So that should be D. Well, that's that's why I got the mental math wrong. So I'm sorry about that. But the concept itself is correct. So if you have a question, watch video 2. Okay, in that case, you will see how I do number 11. So that's about it for this one. I fixed my mistake. I'm not sure if I have enough time for question number 12, but let's see if I can do it. So this one is, I'm trying to find the what? Surface area, right? So let's look at here. That's a hexagonal pyramid. So for surface area of the pyramid is this one, 1/2 PL plus B. So 1/2 PL plus B. So I know most of the thing. P is the perimeter of the base. So I have a 6 side with a regular hexagon. So it's a 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. So it's going to be 6 times 6, which is 36. I get it. Now I have to find slant height, which is this. That's going to be 7. Only problem is I have to find B. B is the area of this base, which is a hexagon. But how can I find area of the hexagon? That's a regular polygon, so I have to use 1/2 AP. So this is gonna be 1/2 AP. So let's look at it. I gotta find apothem. So this one, let me draw here, hexagon. Now this one is kind of tricky. So each side is a 6. But if you want to find the A, which means center to the base, that's what I need to find. That's not 3 because it is just not. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide. I'm going to make line to the each vertex is like that. Okay? Now remember, entire circle is 360. Therefore, each one of this is going to be 360 divided by 6, which is 60. So each one of this angle is 60, okay? But do you see this triangle? I cannot still find the height. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out one more time. Then this angle is going to be 30. I know this side is going to be 3. And this is what I'm going to find. But wait, does this triangle looks familiar? Yeah, this one is right triangle with a 90 degree, with a 3, with an x, with a 30 degree. So we can use Pythagorean theorem. So this one is the opposite. This one is adjacent. This one is the hypotenuse. So I'm going to use O and A. So let's go to our favorite time. So, ka, toa. Which one do I have to use? Look at this. We have to use x and 3. So we have to use O and A. So I'm going to use toa. So it's the tangent 30 is equal to toa, 3 over x. So that's what you need to solve. Like you gotta use menu 31 for that. So in that case, you're gonna get x equals something. But since I don't have it, I will just use Desmos. But you're gonna be like wonder like how I do this one, but don't worry about it because I haven't teach you how to use this. But I know how to do it. Oh wait, this one is in radian. Yeah, I knew it. So I gotta change the degree. So it's gonna be 5.196. So let's say I assume this one is the 5. Yeah, I'm gonna put 196. So now I know the height, which is 5.196. So I know A. So base is gonna be 5.196 times P, which is a perimeter. So it's a 36. So what's this? I'm gonna use Desmos again. So it's gonna be 1/2 5.196 36. That's gonna be 93.528. Good. So only thing that I have to do is it's gonna be 1/2. I'm gonna use this one here. So P, which is 36, times L, which is 7, plus B, which is 93.528. So that's what I'm gonna add. So here, so 1/2 times 36 times 7 plus 93.528. That's gonna be 219.528. And according to the question, it said round to the nearest hundredth, the second decimal. So instead of 28, I gotta put 3. So that's it, guys. That's how you do question number 22. And I think I fixed all my mistake. If you spot something else, just let me know. In that case, I'll fix it, okay? That's it, guys. I love you. Bye.